on, Blood Dragon Rider fans, how you guys doing? It was a lovely nice day. It's Friday. Friday the 1st of June. I'm just going out for a ride and also getting some stuff out of the way. Just helping out a friend. I was enjoying the sun, but the sun is going away and it looks like it's raining. Well, it's good to hear the sound of a 125. Never been riding my bike much, but it's good to jump on the bike once in a while. So I just like to talk about the problem, what is going on, because it is, some people just sort of like not care about it, but it is a big concern of this problem about some parents. If you actually guys know that there are some parents out there that don't teach their kids how to cook or clean. It's shocking how amount of young people that I know that their mom or dad that just don't teach them how to clean and cook. There's some parents out there don't know how to teach their kids how to use the washing machine. There are parents out there never teach them how to, you know, cook food, you know, and it's shocking. It's really shocking that they're not teaching their kids how to do these stuff when they leave the nest. Like, you know, you can like teach him how to fly and just kick him or her out of the nest and say, "Fly, bitch, fly!" No, man, it's just bad. I mean, the first time ever that, in fact, I wanted to cook, because my mom was cooking. You know, my mom was, you know, a single mother. I did have a stepdad, but no, he was there, but I didn't know that he cooked. I think my mom was always doing the cooking. My mom was always the one doing the cooking. Ooh, good brakes. Yeah, it's just that I live in a shared house, and everybody knows that I live in a shared house. There are so many young people, you know, I can get along with new people and all that. It's just shocking to see young people just don't know how to use the oven, because we use an electric oven. We don't use gas, but we use electric oven. They'll be like, "Man, how do you know, use the oven?" I'm like, "Okay, it's electric oven." I had a bit of a difficulty with electric oven. After when I want to wash the clothes, says, "Hey man, how do you use the washing machine?" You know, I want to get up to this. I'm like thinking to myself, "What? You don't know how to use the washing machine?" I'm like thinking to myself, "Wow." I was saying is that parents just don't teach their kids nothing these days. They don't know how to teach them how to clean and all that stuff, and it makes me worried. It makes me really worried that kids nowadays. So I mean, the first thing I would do is I would teach my son or daughter how to use a washing machine, and I would teach, you know, how to cook freaking meat instead of going out and for takeout, because there's so many young adults just ordering takeouts and that, and they saying, "Oh man, I got no food. I got nothing in the fridge." I mean, It's like, come on, man. I mean, you can actually get stuff like from Iceland for like £1, and you can just put it in a microwave or put in, well, ovens. Some kids, they don't even know how to use an oven, but a microwave is just simple. You can get chicken and curry rice and put it in the microwave, you know, stab some holes in there, you know, it'll be perfect, man. It's just really sad, really sad. Some of them don't know how to cook beef or steak or anything, and it's just kind of like, man, you're gonna have a hard life. But I don't mind helping young people how to cook. You know, if it's, you know, they don't know how to cook beef, they don't know how to cook chicken, you know, how to make it taste. Hell, I'll show them how to cook. I mean, I got nothing against them. I just got against the parents and say, like, you know, why you never teach your son or daughter how to cook? You know, if they don't know how to use a washing machine, I'll just, you know, teach them how to use a washing machine. Tell them what clothes that you're using, you know, oh, you throwing that clothes in there? All right, man, be 30 degree rush. You know, if you don't know the temperature of the clothes, you know, there's a label in there, and looking at the label actually tells you. And it tells you, yeah, you can put it in a washing machine, other clothes will not. But, you know, hey ho, I don't mind helping people. If it's cooking, it's showing them how to use certain things. I don't mind helping, you know, young people, especially old people. I don't mind helping them if they don't know how to use certain things, certain items, certain technology. Hell, I'll help them. I know there are some kids out there that are, you know, freaking lazy, and then when you kick them out the nest, they'll be saying, man, I wish I actually learned how to use an oven or use an electric cooker, learn how to use the washing machine. Parents, get your kids' ass up and teach them how to use these two important things. I mean, if you don't, they're gonna waste their money on stupid shit. They're gonna waste their money on stupid shit, man, and you don't want that. I'm actually glad that I actually learned how to use a washing machine and the oven. I think I started learning how to cook my own food since I was maybe about 12 or 11. I think I could be 13. That's the time that I started learning how to cook. Because I know for a fact that when I reach an adult, I know my mom's not going to be there to cook me some dinner, cook me some food, some delicious food, mouth-watering chicken, beef, salmon, noodles. Man, thinking about the food what my mom makes, man, I wish I could cook like her, man. I wish I could cook like her. I know for a fact that I ain't gonna cook like her. I know for a fact. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. I got nothing much to talk about except for just to say that, you know, if you do got kids right now, teach them how to cook before they leave their nest, or teach them how to cook before you kick them out your nest. Anyway, my name is Black Dragon Rider. Hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. If not, put a thumbs down, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.